Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's officially December and Christmas is soon upon us. So I've decided to make a video for you just in case you're still looking for something to give a car guy. From the time of making this video, Christmas is only a couple weeks away. So most of these items listed will be on Amazon or your local auto parts store. Here's my list of gifts to give a car guy this holiday season. Now I'm going to break this down into 4 different tiers. First, we have the cheap tier, which items listed will be from $1 to $25. Then we have an OK tier, which ranges from $26 to $60. And then comes the oh my god tier, which items listed would be from $61 to $100. And anything above $100 would be classified as mega tier, or as I like to call it, the god tier. So let's start off with the stocking stuffers. Usually these items are small and inexpensive, and the first gift that I want to talk about is one of the cheapest and one of my least favorite. It's the air fresheners. Unless you're going to give this person something else besides an air freshener, this falls on the bottom of my list. Unless it's one of those custom ones where you send a picture of their car and they make a freshener out of it. Now that's actually pretty dope. Like if it's like a custom made air freshener, it's like literally a picture of your car. But yeah, whatever, it's a stocking stuffer, and this is why it's my least favorite gift to give or receive. Or if you just don't like that person, just give them an air freshener for Christmas. Next up on my list is cleaning gel. Again, it's a stocking stuffer, so it's just an interesting way to clean your car, especially your vents and all those nooks and crannies. And it's squishy too. Next, we have a tire pressure monitor because it's the winter season, and it's a great way to check if the tire air pressure is up to spec, especially to those that don't have a tire pressure monitor on them already. If they don't already have one, this would be a good gift for them. Next up on my list, I have a magnetic light. It's really handy if you're doing work on your car at night. I know because I recently purchased one. Instead of holding a flashlight in one hand, I can always just stick a magnetic light under my hood, and it'll just be pointed towards the engine bay or whatever part of the car you're working on. And these are really inexpensive, and they make really good gifts, especially to car guys or a regular person, because a regular person could use this as well. Next, I have a Lasfit carport charger. Now this is really cool because a lot of people don't have USB ports in their car. If they do have it, then it might not support fast charging. Lasfit's carport chargers does support charging, so if you're on the go and you need a quick charge, this is a perfect thing to use. Next, we have something a little more interesting, which is a toy car. I looked at these online and it costs anywhere between 40 to 100 bucks. Type R cars are easy to find. However, non-Type R cars are a lot harder to find. But yeah, this would be an interesting gift, and you could even have someone custom make a toy car, but those obviously are a lot more expensive, which could range up to more than $100. So but that's a really cool gift to give someone, especially if it's custom made to make it look like their actual car. Last but not least, we have a gift card for gas or any auto parts store, and this could range from as low as 10 bucks to 100 bucks, whatever. It's a great gift and one of my favorites because we all know how high gas prices are these days, and it's a gift card. You can do whatever the hell you want to it. So if you want tools, if that person wants tools or like cleaning supplies, they can buy whatever, because it's a gift card, and basically buy whatever they want. So this is on top of my list because I love getting gift cards for Christmas, especially if it's for a gas station or any auto parts store, so that I can just come in and just pick whatever I want and don't have to worry about paying full price because I know I have a gift card. So if you are going to give a stocking stuffer gift to a car guy, a gift card is possibly one of the best gifts that you can give someone. And here's a quick recap of my list of ideas to get as stocking stuffers. We have air fresheners, cleaning gel, tire pressure gauge, carport for fast charging from Lasfit, and magnetic lights. All these items are in the cheap tier. Then comes the toy car, which is at the OK tier, and then a gift card, which could be in the cheap tier or all the way in the god tier. Anyways, enough of stocking stuffers, let's move on to the actual gifts. A t-shirt of their car or the logo of the car that they drive. Again, if it's custom made, it would be more expensive, but Honda shirts are out there. Not just Honda, but whatever car brand. Sure, it might be tacky, but that's why it's on the bottom of my list, depending on the shirt, I guess. Then we have a car cleaning set, which ranges from $16 to $100 depending on what brand you get and how many products are included. I love getting these for Christmas because I don't have to go out and buy wheel cleaner or wax or whatever because it's all included with these car care kits. Any car guy will appreciate a cleaning set because for sure they're going to use this sometime later on in the year. Next up, I have a Lasfit organizer. I actually made a review of this and this product is really amazing. The other day I went grocery shopping and the place I go to doesn't have bags, so I used this organizer and I didn't have to worry about all the groceries just slipping and sliding all throughout my trunk of my car, and it's a good way to keep your car organized. Next is a portable vacuum. It's a great way to keep your car clean. It's portable and you don't have to deal with cords or a heavy vacuum. It may not be as good as a real vacuum, but it gets the job done. A battery jumper. Winter is here, batteries have a higher chance of failing. I know because my Sport died after just 3 days of not driving it. I also have underglows, that's one of the reasons why the battery drained. I actually helped my neighbor start their car up because their battery died due to the cold weather. So these are really good to have. A shift knob, these are a great way to customize the interior of the car and it changes how the car drives and feels. I recently installed a shift knob on my Type R. It's from Ascend Racing and it really changed the way that the car drives because the shifts feel a lot more precise, and since it's a heavier shift knob, I'm getting a more responsive feedback when I'm shifting my gears. Next, I have a tool set. This is for someone who's starting to get into cars or someone who needs tools in general. I actually bought my first tool set this month and it was one of the best purchases I've ever made. Never thought I'd be so happy with getting new tools. And finally, we have a wireless CarPlay adapter or an Android box. Now these things can convert wired CarPlay to wireless Apple CarPlay on any vehicle that has that smart functionality. As for the Android box, I've also recently made a review of that device. That device is capable of playing games, watching movies, and it supports true wireless Android Auto. The only downside to this is of the price. Now the wireless Apple CarPlay boxes you can get for like $100. But as far as the Android box, you can get one for $300. So these are a bit pricey, but in my opinion, they're worth it because you're able to do all sorts of things with your infotainment system once you buy that Android box. And the best part about it is no Honda hack required, so you're not going to void your warranty. And then the next set of items is basically just car mods that you can just give to your significant other or your friend or whoever you're going to give your gift. So these items include springs or coils for their cars, an intake, K-tuner or Honda system, exhaust system, wheels, intercooler, big turbo kit, basically any major mod for our car. And if I were to be gifted any of these, I would love you for life. So if you really want a car guy to really like you, just give them a car mod that they've been trying to save up for, or a car mod that they want but they can't afford it. So obviously these are going to be the best gifts that you can ever give them, and they're going to love you for life. So to do a recap of my non-stocking stuffer list, we have a shirt, which is my least favorite, and it ranges from the cheap to all the way up to the expensive tier. A car cleaner set, which also ranges from cheap to expensive tier. Lasfit organizer, which is in the OK tier. Then we have a portable vacuum, which could range from the OK to expensive tier. Portable jumper, which ranges from the OK to the God tier depending on what you get. A shift knob, which is typically in the OK to God tier. Tool set, which is OK to God tier as well. And we have a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android box, which are expensive to the God tier. And then we have the mods for the car, which are obviously in the God tier and classified as the best gifts ever. Alright guys, I hope you found this video interesting. Also, what do you think of the new format I use? Let me know in the comments. If you don't like it, then I can always go back to my original format. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet already, hit that subscribe button and then the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I do post a video on the channel. Thank you for watching. This is Time FK7. Happy holidays, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.